Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to generate AI wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. As you can see, currently our wallpaper is pretty boring, so let's change that. We can do that by going to settings, scrolling a little bit down and going to wallpaper and style, or we can press and hold on our home screen and then we want to hit wallpaper and style in order for us to be taken to the same menu. Here we want to click change wallpapers, and we don't even have to scroll down a little, but here we have two options to create with AI. We can create a photo ambient, and this way we can add, for example, any photos that we have currently saved on our phone, and AI will automatically change those photos depending on the time and the weather outside. However, we want to generate a whole wallpaper using AI. That means that we want to click generative option. Here we have a bunch of things that were previously made using AI, but let's create something new. I will choose imaginary, since I am a very imaginary person. And here we see our little prompt here. Keep in mind though that in order for this to work, you will have to be logged in both into your Google account and Samsung account. So now we can choose what surreal something we want to create. Let's say I want to create a castle that is made of, well, let's say 4. And it will be in the shades of green and teal, because I really like the color green. Now, after I'm satisfied, I simply had to click generate, and after a moment we'll have 4 different options to choose from. This doesn't really look like a 4. This is pretty close. This one looks like a temple, and this one is just wild. I will stick with this one, and I will just hit set. Now I can choose if I want to set it to lock screen or home screen or both. I will simply hit both. And now I can customize my home screen and lock screen. We can change to our home screen by pressing this button here, but I don't want to customize everything, as I only wanted to change the background. Now we hit done, and as you can see, our wallpaper is now changed. It's looking pretty good, though keep in mind that you will have this little text at the bottom that says that it is indeed an AI generated content. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.